I'm Dave Philly, I'm one of the product specialists here at Havis. Today we're going to be going over some mounting options for our material handling products. First thing we're going to start off with here is our MD409. Now this is a dual ball, it's dual knuckle articulation. Simple handle loosens it. You can move it and swing it around and get it in an optimal viewing position. And larger handle makes it for a lot of torque. You can easily tighten it in place. Next thing we're going to go over is our overhead clamp mounting bracket. Now, this is a universal mount. It clamps onto any overhead guard here. Gives you full range of motion left to right, as well as an option here. You can flip down the keyboard to use the keyboard option. When you're done using it, it easily flips up and stows out of the way to keep it out of the operator's line of sight. Next thing we're going to go over is our barcode scanner mount. Now, this particular setup right here is running off our MD408 mount, which is a little bit smaller mount. This is what I showed you with the 409. It is still a single handle here to loosen it and get in that optimal mounting position. Now, all of these mounts are clamp-on mounts. So what you would do is you clamp onto the bar here, cut down your bolt to length when you're done mounting it, and this makes it so that you do not have to drill holes in the forklift, which is great for a lot of forklifts that are leased, so we don't have to worry about putting holes in them. It also makes a more universal design. Now, if you're using our setup over here and you still need a keyboard mount, one of the great advantages we have is a mount that actually clamps underneath the seat. Keeps the keyboard so that it just swings right up here. Brings it up and you're ready to go. You can use it as needed. And then when you're done, it very simply just slides right back out of the way and stows behind the seat. Another thing you're seeing here is our printer mount. Now this takes the Brother Rugged Jet printer and securely mounts it off the same bracket that is used for the keyboard. And this can be set up to go with the keyboard or stand alone as just the bracket. Next thing we're going to go is we're going to swing over here to our other forklift. We have some more heavier duty setups here. This is our MH1012 setup. Great feature with this is it brings it very close to the operator for those larger lift trucks. You're also seeing our MD arm mount here mounted. And this setup is an MH arm 0606. And this also brings it swing out so it's closer to the operator. And when she's done using it, it easily swings out of the way, have full access to controls.
Hi everyone, my name is Dan Highland. I'm product manager here at Havis. Today I'm going to take you through some of our material handling warehouse application products. The first one we're going to start with is our CMH2001, which is a universal pole mount for pallet jacks. It has a telescoping feature here at the pole and also has a tilt swivel mount in here built in for easy adjustability and tilt to allow you to not obstruct your view of your material. We're going to move on to our work cart. Right here we have a three-piece setup. We have your touchscreen display with a keyboard and a phone mount all in one. The mount we're focusing on here is our CMD405, which is our bar clamp mount. It has a knob for easy adjustability, and this is great for light-duty electronics. Next, we're going to move to our MH1015 mount. This is a great mount for heavy-duty solutions. Here you currently see it mounted with a universal tray. It also has knobs for dual adjustability, so you can easily adjust your mount and position your device at any position.